Hello everyone, welcome to my studio. Today's craft was an inspiration because of Baskets of Hope. Many of you know that Baskets of Hope is the ministry that comes every year for Thanksgiving. We were able to bless 150 families with a basket filled with food so they can have a Thanksgiving dinner. So my inspiration came because of Baskets of Hope. I created this craft spelling the word hope like you see here. Now the materials are listed in the description below. We're gonna have to use paint and also an antique wax that will be applied on top of the paint. The first thing to do is just paint the cans in white, and after we're gonna do the wax. The way to apply the wax, it's just one coat of wax and then you remove the excess with paper towel. Unfortunately, I don't know what happened. I think my camera didn't record. So I lost the footage and I cannot show you how. I am so sorry. So first, like I said, the paint. You give 2 coats of paint or as many as you think it needs. But make sure you dry them in between, either with a heat gun or a blow dryer, or wait 20 minutes between applications, okay? So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna apply the twine on top of the can using Tacky Glue. You can also use hot glue. So just like this, go around applying it, pressing it down, applying more glue, like that, until you reach to the level that you like. And now we're going to do the stencil. The way I apply a stencil is I apply the Mod Podge before and then the paint. Now I'm going to apply glue and also attach the leaf. Like I said, make sure you use the Mod Podge first and then the paint. That it creates a better how I can explain it. It's kind of like it seals the surface first and then the paint adheres better without going out of the lines for the letter. So after you are sure that it's dry, you remove the stencil. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to outline the letter with a very fine point marker, like this. The stencil I used, I made it with my Cricut Cutting Machine, and it's vinyl, but you can also use the paper ones that you can buy at the store, or you can also use stickers and spell the words that you like. This craft can be also for Christmas. You can use different colors. You can spell the word joy or peace. So yes, be creative. Think of other ways you can apply this technique and craft into, because if you think about it, I am going to decorate these cans just with flowers, but you can also use them to put your utensils and put them in your dinner table for Thanksgiving. So you can find other uses. So I'm finishing outlining the letters, trying for all of them to be more or less the same. Like I mentioned to you, the way to apply the antique wax is very easy, and as you can see, without the antique wax was just a plain white. I wanted it to have a little bit more of character and look like a little bit rustic. So this antique wax is really good. It's the Waverly brand and I buy it at Walmart. Now what I'm going to do before I seal it, I'm going to make sure that the letters, the outline of the letters that I just did are dry. And I'm going to apply a coat of sealer. The Mod Podge is also a sealer. This one I'm applying, it's matte finish, but they also sell it as semi-gloss or gloss. I like the matte finish better. And this is the final result. Thank you for watching. Make sure you give hope to others. And happy Thanksgiving. Goodbye.